Welcome to this episode of Say It with Scott, where we look at how the words we use affect the lives we live. I'm Scott Sery. I'm a copywriter, and I'm a lover of how we can take a word here and there, twist it around just a bit, and dramatically change the entire message that we're sending. This episode is brought to you by Strategic Advisor Board and by my company, Sery Content Development. When you want to make an impression and you really want to get people riled up and draw them into you, you have to make it a little bit awkward. Now, I'm not talking about making it awkward as in telling really crass, rude, or racist jokes. That will work and it'll get people riled up, but probably not riled up in the direction that you want them to go. Instead, they're going to just start boycotting you and your business will fail. It kind of relates back to one of the 5 overarching themes of copywriting where you address the elephant in the room. There's something going on that everyone just kind of ignores and works their way around it, and nobody really talks about it. You can make it awkward by talking about these issues that people are suffering from, even though they don't want to. But then your job is to transition that into providing the solution so they don't have to have that awkward or weird elephant in the room anymore. So the way this works is you want to make the audience feel uncomfortable. You want them to stop and think and wonder what's going on and why are they such deadbeats, essentially. Because they don't actually have to tell anybody that they're failing at this. They just have to accept that they aren't doing it right, and then they come to you to make sure it all works out. So when I'm doing this, let's use my accountant example. Accountants are very easy to provide an example for. Using a do-it-yourself software, you probably only pay about $49 and you can get your taxes done all on your own. You don't have to spend several $100s on an accountant. Most of the time when you do your taxes yourself, you end up overpaying your taxes by at least $1,000. When you come to Joe's Accounting, we make sure to get all the credits and all the deductions so that nobody overpays and everyone gets the biggest refund possible. What's going on here is if I'm watching this and I'm a do-it-yourselfer tax guy, I'm looking at that, I'm like, this is really awkward because I probably didn't get the refund I deserved last year. And so now I want to go talk to Joe and be like, I did it myself last year, but I really want to use your services now so I can get a larger refund and it's worth the cost of hiring a professional. Take that and apply it to your own business. See how you can twist that around to make your audience uncomfortable because they made the wrong decision, but they can make it right by coming to you. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Say It with Scott. I hope you found something inspirational and educational you can apply to your own business. As usual, before you go, if you didn't make sense or if you need help twisting it around and making your audience uncomfortable, hit the links in the description below. Reach out and I'm happy to help. Before you leave, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you get notifications every time Strategic Advisor Board posts great new content.